Why did you get intoxicated? What was going on this night? I'm sorry?
5 years old.
And where was your 5-year-old? We are 7092, State of Texas versus Victoria Cifuentes. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment is up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Plea bargain agreement. State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of a Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 365 days in the Bexar County Jail. State recommends community supervision. They're taking consideration county court cause number 691055. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes.
State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 1 year. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 120 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Judge. States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Same. Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking that the court follow the recommendations set forth, and she's been incarcerated. She tried to get her COVID shot. She's on a list there at the jail, but she didn't receive one. Just want the court to know that.
Okay. So you're intoxicated and things just go south from there.
Yes, ma'am.
So why did you get intoxicated? What was going on this night?
I just went out for drinks with a couple of friends and I was being reckless and I was over drinking.
All right. Do you have any children?
I have one child,
Age? I'm sorry?
5 years old,
And where was your 5-year-old when you were out drinking?
with his father.
Do you have employment?
I'm currently unemployed.
When's the last time you had employment?
Right before I got arrested. In
Doing what?
October, the first week of October.
Doing what?
I was a security guard with Server Security.
Not anymore. And do you live by yourself?
I am currently homeless.
So where are you going to live if you're released?
I plan to go into a halfway home or a shelter that could give me resources and get me back on my feet.
And where is your child going to be staying?
For the meantime with his father, so he can, be enrolled in school and everything and have that stability.
Is there any drug issues with you?
No,
I'm sorry?
no, ma'am.
Have you ever tried drugs? And what would that be?
Marijuana,
And what else?
that is all.
All right, because now's the time to tell the truth because I'm trying to set your conditions so you can be successful. So if something happens and it's because you didn't tell me the truth, that's 100% on you. You understand? So is there anything else that I need to know about?
No,
All right, the court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 1 year. Taking consideration county court cause number 691055, 120 hours.
Pause right
community-
here. This is actually a structured second chance. Jail time is suspended, but look at the conditions: community service, parenting classes, employment, sobriety meetings. This isn't just punishment, it's a strict roadmap to fix everything. The question is, will she follow?
20 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. Parenting classes with Triple T. Once you complete parenting classes, the remaining of those hours will be waived. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anger management course. There's going to be 30 sober meetings in 30 days. And we'll do outpatient treatment with probation. And do you believe your son's father is a good father?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any issues with him?
No, ma'am.
Any violence?
No, ma'am.
And he's married and has other children. So
Okay.
the child's in the stable place.
All right. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
What, outpatient treatment is like, supportive or intensive?
Supportive.
Can we get a tap with that?
Yes.
She mentioned, nothing about field visits because
We'll do field visits one time per month. And just, that's until she gets a stable residence.
okay, and then you said you mentioned the UAs.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, regular UAs.
And regular virtual or in person, correct?
Yes.
That's all I know.
All right. Is there anything else? we
And
need
this is
from-
where it all lands. No prison for now, but zero room for mistakes. One slip and that suspended sentence comes back fast. So think about it. Is this mercy or is this the hardest kind of accountability?
Anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. You have a 5-year-old. You can't go out and be a crazy college kid, which I don't think college kids should be doing it either, but you cannot and should not be drinking to excess. Because now your son has been without his mom because you've been in jail because of your actions. Okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you so much.